What's up, everybody? This is Daniel. Haven't made a video in years, but I thought now would be a good time because I just got a box of new cards I bought myself for Christmas, and I'd never done an unboxing video, and so yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Let's see what happens. All right, so I got 3 boxes from Dave and Adam's Card World. I bought stuff from them before. And let's see, first I got a little box of this on clearance, Panini Threads. Then I got a Panini Prizm box from 2018, 2019. This one's a few years older. This one is current. I'm hoping to get a Luka in here because I'm a big Maverick fan. And then finally, I spent the most on Hit Parade. Apparently there are like 6 autographs and 7 memorabilia cards in here or something. So I'm just very interested in what's in there. Who knows what I'll get there, but it is from 2018, 2019. Alright, so which one to open first? I like to save the best for last, so I'll probably go with that last. And I'll just maybe do the clearance one first. I think you get one autograph and memorabilia card in here. So we'll see what happens. Oh, okay. I wasn't aware of that. It's just apparently one big blaster pack. That would be more. Okay, whatever. Let's see what I get in here. Yay. Joe Johnson, Jeremy Lin, James Harden. Barnes, still on the Warriors. That shows you how old this one is. Gary Payton, interesting. Draymond. Century Greats, George Mikan. Nice little insert. Looks like another insert for DeMar DeRozan. Not sure if these are inserts or something else, actually. Then we got a Wiggins and Rubio thingy. Alright, now we're getting to some rookie cards. Oh, these are made out of wood. I think I remember that. Or they look like wood. So I got a TJ Warren. He's been lighting it up recently. And then Corey Jefferson, so that's not very good. Then, looks like here's the memorabilia card. Dante Exum. Jersey card. Nice. Hopefully he'll get going soon, but right now he's not living up to expectations. And then Zaza, Zach Randolph, Wesley Matthews, Vince Carter, blah blah. A bunch of base cards. So, a couple nice rookies and a jersey card. That'll do. Okay, so let's move on to Panini Prizm. It's kind of crazy. I've been out of the card collecting game for a while. I didn't even know Panini had made a comeback until recently. Back when I was collecting, it was all Upper Deck and Tops. But my wife did give me a Luka Panini Instant, a Luka Doncic rookie card for Christmas, so that was pretty cool. Only 811 in the world. All right. So this one is multiple packs. That's what I like. Let's start breaking these open. Smell new. Oh, these are really shiny. Oh, baby. Are you serious? A Luka Doncic rookie jersey card. Oh my gosh, the first pack. Luka Doncic. This is the #1 reason I bought all these cards. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is going in a hard case. Man, that's cool. Wow. That is awesome. Who cares about what else is in here? Well, the Steph Curry and Paul Millsap and stuff. Man, off to a good start. Wow. Uh-oh, baby alert. pause to hold the baby. Who is that? Look. Your dad got a Luka Doncic rookie jersey card. No, you can't put it in your mouth. Sorry. Yeah. All right, you want to look at this new pack I just opened? Oh, look at that. A DeAndre Ayton rookie. Oh, don't touch that. It could be worth something one day. That's a nice one. And then we got a Russell Westbrook base card. Steph Curry. Dominance. That looks like one of their semi-insert kind of things. And then a Zaire Smith rookie. He's been doing pretty good lately. Man, I still can't get over that. Luka. All right, baby gone. Okay. Now for the next pack, I got 4 left. Okay, Kelly Olynyk, Marshawn Brooks, blah, blah, blah. An emergent Marvin Bagley. That's not bad. Save that with DeAndre Ayton. And then an Etuan Moore. All right. Man, I'm so excited. Okay. Dwight Howard, blah. Eric Gordon, blah. Okay, Karl Anthony Towns. This looks a little different than the others. It looks like a refractor, some kind of insert. This is different than the others. It's got a rainbow hue to it. So that's probably something. And then Patrick Ewing. Okay, so they got some old school guys in here too. If you're bored, sorry. This is my first one of these, so hopefully you're just here for the cards. But yeah. Ooh, okay, so there's a couple green ones in here. Let's see what these are. First we got a DeMarre Carroll. Ooh, and then we got an emergent. It's like a green of DeAndre Ayton again. So man, I'm getting a couple of those. I didn't have any of his before. And then a CJ McCollum, same deal. Green kind of prism thing. Okay, so I see up in the right back of the corners, it's got prism for the one that is green and rainbowy. So that's probably what that is. Okay, I like CJ McCollum. He's on my fantasy team. All right, last one. Okay, Michael Porter Jr., freshman phenoms. Maybe once he's not injured, he might turn into something, so that'll be worth keeping. Oh, nice. And then Drazen Petrovic. I don't even think I had one of him. Very cool. One of the European breakthrough guys, or whatever you want to call it, as well as Yusuf Nurkic. Okay, so that does it for that pack. Again, Luka Doncic is the best card so far. And we got a little Dante Exum as well. So, man, that makes this whole thing worth it again. Wow. So excited about Luka as a Maverick fan. Okay, last one. Hit Parade 2018-2019. Heard there's a lot in here. This one was about, I think, 50 or 60 bucks. So for the amount you get, it seems like it'd be a good deal. But you never know if they're just going to put in the cruddy ones. But I just like autographs and memorabilia cards in general. So hopefully we'll get somebody worth it. Not more Dante Exums. Don't think I'll see a Luka in here, but okay. So share your hit. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, comes in a nice little box. You can see Steven, or that's DeMar Johnson in front, so hopefully that's not an indication of what I'm going to be getting. Because he's not very good. Okay. Oh yeah, so this is from the Upper Deck MVP. That's way back. Yeah, I was really collecting back when that was out. Okay. Nice little thick stack, and these are all memorabilia or autographs. So, DeMar Johnson. So jersey card. Stephon Marbury. It's not bad. I have one of these for David Robinson and somebody else. I like Steph. I met him once at the mall promoting his new shoes back when I was in college. Okay, we got Mr. Rick Fox, actor / basketball player. I did not like those Laker teams. No offense. Oh, Tony Kukoc. That's pretty cool. I don't have much cards of him at all, let alone a jersey. Rashard Lewis. He's pretty good. This is an All-Star Weekend game used warm-up. 2015. And Mr. Kenyon Martin. Another warm-up. Upper deck. My son is playing with toys in the background. Sorry about that. Richard Jefferson. Okay, so this looks like a rookie shooting shirt. It's kind of cool. I got a Jamal Mashburn jersey. Oh, SP game used. Guess it's not numbered, but that's cool. Now we get some autographs. Kurt Snyder. I don't even know if he's still in the league. This looks really, really cool. But Taurine Green. Okay. I don't think he amounted to anything, but that is kind of cool. It's like a numbered to $6.99 signed basketball. Yeah, that's a really nice card. Upper deck, sweet shot. Too bad I don't think he ended up doing anything. Okay. Another signature. Justin Reed. Never heard of him, so that shows you how good he probably is. Now we got 2 signed jersey cards. Wow, numbered to 50 each. These are pretty cool. Francisco Garcia, he's alright, and Jason Smith, same, but these are really cool cards. Upper Deck Premier. Numbered to 50, so that's not bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, Josh Childress autograph. Not bad. And then this looks like the nicest card. Demetrius Nichols. Cleveland Rookie Threads. 0708. So yeah, he's probably nothing, but it's an autographed jersey card. So not bad. Yeah, probably that was about what I expected. Some semi-stars, but some pretty nice cards. But man, can't beat this. Luka Doncic. So excited about that. Just got my first rookie card the other day. Now I got a rookie jersey card. Man, that's awesome. All right, well that's it. Sorry for the noise in the background, and if this video is lame, but I decided to make it, and that's what I did. So, talk to you guys later.